So my boxing coach just sent me this photo. Now, I know I took this photo today. I don't know how my boxing coach got it. My boxing coach just sent it to my Facebook Messenger, and then I asked him, like, how'd you get this photo, bro? And he told me that somebody reposted it on Facebook, and he just saved it. I'm like, okay, well, I don't know who that was, but whatever. So, cool. I got the photo now, so I got it, you know what I'm saying? Cool or whatever. I don't mess with nobody in this photo anyways. As a matter of fact, today I almost got expelled from school because, as you can see, you see this black kid all the way to the right side? Let me see. He's all the way right here. See him right there? When I say I spazzed out on this dude, I spazzed out on this dude. Oh my God. And Mr. Randall, see my welding instructor right there, Mr. Randall? Thank God for Mr. Randall, because I should have got kicked out today. And I literally would have threw all my hard work down the drain just because somebody want to run their mouth, basically. You know what I'm saying? Somebody always got something slick to say out their mouth until they get checked. And I checked them, and I embarrassed them in front of the whole class today. And we were supposed to both of us, because he started it. I was getting ready to finish it. And we were supposed to get written up and kicked out. Luckily, Mr. Randall didn't do that. So I appreciate that, because we were supposed to get kicked out today. But it's all good. Like I told that dude, I had his phone number saved into my phone. I deleted it, blocked it. I don't want nothing to do with you. And I really don't want nothing to do with nobody in this photo besides Mr. Randall, because, you know what I'm saying, that's the only person I need to keep in contact with, because I'm not leaving college. I'm still going to be returning back to the same school next year. I just won't be in welding. I'll be in a different course in a different class. You know what I'm saying? But Mr. Reynolds still going to be there. He's still a network for me. You know what I'm saying? So I need him. You know what I'm saying? He could give me welding tips. He could help me. You know what I'm saying? So I still need him. You know what I'm saying? That's the only person in this photo that I need to keep in touch with. You know what I'm saying? Going forward. That's it. Period. Point blank. Yep. So it's my first time finishing college. Not only is this going to be my first time finishing college, I'm getting a trade. You know what I'm saying? Getting a trade, man. One of the most in-demand trades in the country. And I'm in the best location for this specific trade. Now, let's say you lived in a place like Minnesota. Being a welder in Minnesota is not all that great. I'm pretty sure you can still make it happen. But welding jobs are more in demand in places like Louisiana, where I'm at, or places like Texas, which is right next door. Places like the Gulf Coast, you know what I'm saying? So all the Gulf Coast states, Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, Florida, these are the perfect places to be. This is the perfect place to be. The two top places to be for welding jobs is Louisiana and Texas. So I'm literally in the perfect spot. Texas is not far. It's right next door. It's literally a 2-hour drive. You know what I'm saying? So I'm in Texas is number 1. Louisiana is number 2 for welding jobs. So I got the perfect trade in the perfect area. Like it's you know what I'm saying? I wasn't even realizing that until I started researching welding more and more. You know, I'm just researching things, researching what type of jobs are available, what type of job positions there are in welding, what type of different procedures they have, where the best places, what cities are the best cities to be. The best cities to be would be like New Orleans, Baton Rouge, Houston. You know what I'm saying? Yep. So all the haters, all the critics, I mean, the haters and the critics were going to be very, very satisfied if I would have did what I almost did today. The haters and the critics would have been very satisfied. The haters would have been satisfied because I had to literally threw all my hard work down. And see, this is why I don't mess with nobody. This is why I keep to myself. So I don't really got no friends. Like I got my boxing coach. That's my mentor. That's my boxing coach, Mr. Rendell, my welding teacher. That's a mentor for me. That's all I need, man. I don't need, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't go to school to try to make friends with people. I'm not going to school to be friendly with y'all. I'm not. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm not, man. Dudes want to go to trade school. And like, you got dudes still acting like they in high school, man. 30-something years old, man. You still think you in high school, bro. Stop it. Because when this is all over, we're never going to see each other again, bro. Like, that's the reality. I guess dudes just don't understand that. Like, it's the truth, though. Some of these dudes in this photo, some of these dudes, they might follow each other on Instagram, Facebook, whatever. But trust me, after a certain amount of time, man, it's all going to fade away, man. Y'all are never going to see or talk to each other ever again in life. That's just how it usually goes most of the time. There could be exceptions to the rule, but that's normally how it goes. Let's just be real. We get caught up in life and people just fade away, man. Like I'm saying, the people that we was going to school with at welding school, man, we're not going to, come on, man. We're going to forget about each other eventually. Of course, I got this photo saved, which is cool. I can always look back at it, but I'm not cool with none of these people in this photo. I ain't got no issues with them like that either. But I'm not cool with them either. So, but guess it's still cool to, go back and look at it, you know what I'm saying? Just to remember, So